This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable bowls, specifically these Pulp Tech compartment bowls with lids. We have the 21-ounce oval, natural, 2-compartment catering bowl. It's 9 1/4 inches in length, 6.5 inches wide, and it's 1.5 inches deep. You have 2 lid options for this bowl. The oval clear lid that you can see has a nice dome to it, so it gives you a little extra headroom there. And then there's also the natural flat lid as well. So if you're looking for a nice tight fit and you want something opaque, that's a great one to go with. The bowls are made from repurposed sugarcane fibers, and it's a great eco-friendly alternative to foam, as they're both commercially compostable and biodegradable. You have 2 lid options, both of which are sold separately, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. These bowls are suitable for both hot and cold foods, and they're grease resistant and can really hold up to heavy, saucy foods without having to worry about grease getting on your hands or the bowls bending or breaking. The circular compartment holds 11.4 ounces, while the adjacent compartment holds 9.2. The division is great for keeping those foods separate and organized and really presenting a nice, neat, beautiful presentation to your guests and customers. These are perfect for caterers, restaurants, or food trucks, or just any establishment looking for an eco-minded disposable container.